Hi there! In this demo we're going to take a quick look at the 2D DVE module inside the Sienna NDI Processing Engine. The 2D DVE module is designed to take video input and apply scaling, positioning and cropping of a scaled rectangle in alpha space to create our desired representation of the video source within a standard sized video space. Here's our video source, which is being fed into the 2D DVE module. It's a test pattern which we've scaled down using the zoom factor. You could also apply horizontal scaling if you wanted to. In here we've also positioned our video source with the X and Y sliders, and we've also cropped it top left, right and bottom. With the output turned on up here, we can look at our video source using the Sienna NDI monitor. And as you can see, we have our test pattern, which has been scaled, positioned and cropped on an alpha background. Let's now do a superimposition. We take the test pattern into a downstream keyer. Here we're using our keyer in the Sienna NDI Processing Engine vision mixer. And in here, we have what will be our background image, this countdown clock. And we also have our foreground image, which is our scaled, positioned, cropped test pattern. And we're using our downstream keyer to superimpose one onto the other. And if we look at the output of our vision mixer, we can now see our scaled, positioned, cropped test pattern on top of our background countdown clock. Now let's create a typical two-box scenario using a more sophisticated DVE workflow using two video sources. We'll take a static background PNG file and our first video source, the test pattern, which has been cropped and positioned, etc., and we'll key it over the top of our second video source, the countdown clock, and we'll also key that. If we look at the output then, here's our two-box scenario, where video source 1 has been scaled, positioned, cropped, and placed on top of the PNG static background, and video source 2, which has also been scaled, cropped, positioned, as per our settings. And all this then has been performed using the Sienna NDI Processing Engine 2D DVE module and the downstream keyer module. If you have any questions or want to know more about Sienna NDI, jump over to www.sienna.tv/NDI. Thanks for watching.